Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of the MYAPULA watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Alright, so today in this video I'm gonna go ahead and talk about all the things that I like about this watch band, all the things that I don't like about this watch band, and then I'm gonna talk about the overall price that it's available for, and give my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation as to whether or not I think it's worth getting picked up. But first, let me do a little bit of housekeeping and then we'll jump straight in. So today's video is being recorded with the primary rear-facing camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if this video piques your interest and you'd like to know where you can pick up this particular third-party watch band, or you like to know where you can pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for yourself, all the links to where y'all can pick up this third-party watch band, as well as all of my other recommended watch bands, or the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself, will be available down below in the video description. And as you'll see from the title in the video description, those are affiliated links, meaning that when you guys and gals make your purchases using those links, I do get a small percentage of feedback or kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliated buy links a win-win for everyone in my opinion. And also don't forget, if you'd like to see more coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself, I'll link up all of my continued coverage on the Watch 4 Classic down below in the video description as well. So once again, the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's get into today's video. So let's start off with the things that I like about this third-party watch band first from MYAPULA, okay? And I know I'm butchering that name, but I'm doing the best I can. So talking about all the things that I like about this watch band first, I love the magnetic watch band with the button clasp. So you can see it's buttonized. So you just line up the magnet and then it kind of clicks into place like a button, and then it doesn't go anywhere. And this watch band is fully adjustable, so I can adjust it and make it as tight and as loose, or as loose as I want, and it's not gonna move around once I clasp it and lock it into place. So I like this clasping mechanism that is magnetized, but it's also like a button. So that's really, really nice. That's the first thing I like about this watch band. Number two, I like the material. Now, once again, y'all know I'm in love with this type of material, the braided nylon material. I love this material. It's breathable, it's flexible. This feels great on my skin and on my wrist, and it's perfect for sleeping with or exercising with. I haven't had any issues. So the overall material that this watch band is made out of, I love that. That's another positive right there. And then the overall look, I have to say I really like this look. This black nylon magnetic band with my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic with the silver trim. This just looks awesome. I like this overall look, and this goes with all of the outfits that I wear on a daily basis. We all know black goes with everything. And then on top of that, the overall installation process for this band was top notch. Now, it did take me a little bit of time to get the quick release pins in place, but it was extremely straightforward and very easy to install. So that's another great positive right there. Okay, and then the last thing I love about this is it is extremely easy to take off. So y'all can see I can take it off, okay, just like that, because I don't really wear this watch in the shower. So when I'm getting in the shower, I take it off, I throw it on the charger, let it charge up, and then when I'm ready, to just put it on like so, and then get it to the fit that I want like so, and then lock the clasping mechanism like so. It clicks in and we're in business. So I love how easy it is to put on and take off. My bad, y'all. Y'all know I have trouble talking sometimes. So that goes over all of the positives. And the last great positive of this one is it comes in a set of 2. And it actually comes for a really great price. So that runs over all the positives of this watch band. All right. Now let's talk about some of the negatives of this watch band. And if I'm being 100% honest, I haven't really experienced any. Okay. So in my, I want to say, week and a half with the watch band, there are no negatives that I've experienced with this one right here. Okay. I guess you can say, now that I've experienced the quick release button style, I kind of wish that this particular band in this layout came with the quick release buttons. But other than that, that's not really a negative, because that's just the style that this particular manufacturer decided to go with. So it is what it is. And I am very thankful that they decided to go with the quick release pins, meaning that this watch band is pretty much universal, because this watch band is actually compatible with your Watch 4, your Watch 5, your Watch 6, your Watch 4 Classic, and your Watch 6 Classic in terms of the Galaxy Watch series of watches, all right? So it will work with any of those series of watches. So it will work with the newer ones and or the older ones. And you can see I have the older generation of Galaxy Watch, and it works perfectly fine. But if there was any negative, if I had to like extremely nitpick, even though there aren't really any negatives, the quick release pins instead of the quick release button, the quick release button would have made this perfect, okay? But it is what it is. But that's just nitpicking. Overall, I haven't really experienced any negatives with this watch band. All right. Now, one thing I want everyone to keep in mind is I'm not perfect, and I never claim to be. So if you decide to pick up this particular watch and this particular watch band, and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through getting proper feedback can we get better overall improvements on the products that we pick up and spend our hard-earned money on. Okay, so if we don't provide any feedback, these manufacturers and companies will think it's okay to rest on their laurels and not make any improvements. Okay, but I'll have the full list of positives and the full list of negatives thrown up in post. As a matter of fact, this is a watch band review. I don't think I really need to do that. Yes, I might not do that. Make it real easy and simple for y'all. Just listen and follow along, and watch if you would like, and follow along. It's up to y'all. I'll save those list layouts for, you know, more in-depth full review videos. But this is like a watch band, yo. There's not really much you can get in-depth on with this. But that goes over the negatives, that goes over the positives, and now let's get into the final part of this video. Let me share my overall final thoughts. Let me make my overall recommendations, and let's talk about pricing and availability. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I do have to say this particular watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic did come into the channel free of charge, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. What does that mean? That means that all I have to do is use the product and then write up a overall full written review about my overall experiences and submit that to be published on Amazon. And then after that point, the product is mine to keep free of charge. But that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions or experiences. As I always say on this channel, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. So if this came into the channel free of charge and I didn't like it, I would tell you why I don't like it. Okay, if it came into the channel free of charge and I loved it, I would tell you why I love it. That being said, I still did do my overall due diligence, and I scoured the internet And I did find these particular watch bands available in a variety of different colors, ranging in price from $10, $9.99, all the way up to $12, $11.99. All right, so let's go over the colors, and that pretty much runs over the prices, but let's go over the colors. So the pack that I got was the navy blue nylon band and the jet black band for $9.99. Call it $10. But they also have a cream white. Oh, well, they don't call it cream white. They call it starlight and pink. So they got a white band and pink band. They call it starlight is what they call white and pink, right? And then they also have a violet and starlight, so like a light purple and white. Then they have a black and white, so again, they call their white starlight and black. Then they have a pink and black, or pink and blue, like a lavender, which is pink, and then light blue. Then they have a light blue and starlight, so blue and white. Then they have the one that I showcased in the unboxing and in this full review, so the blue and the black. Then they have a black and gray, okay? Then they have a black and, what is this, strawberry, like a deep red. Then they have a black and a green, okay? Then, ooh, this one looks nice. Then they have a black and like a chocolate and black, so it's like a white and black and gray. I like that. Then they have an orange and red. That's actually pretty cool. They call it maize and red, but it's orange and red if we're going to be realistic. Then they have a dark green and a violet, okay, which they call smoke violet, but it's like a light pink. And then they have the dark green and the regular pink, which they call pink salmon. And then they have the pink and smoked violet, so salmon pink or sand pink and smoked violet, so like a light purple and a light pink. And then they have the gray and olive, which is like a light green and a dark gray. Then they have the pink and, what is this, the what is that, null pink and sand pink, so it's like a light white and a light pink. And yeah, I said that one already, and then we went over this one already. And then last but certainly not least, they have a pride and chocolate. So pride is like rainbow colored, and then the chocolate one is like a camo white and black. And those are all the watch bands. And the really cool thing is, it really doesn't matter which watch band you decide to go with. They're all $9.99, at least if you go with picking it up from Amazon. So basically it's $10. Keep in mind that does not include shipping and handling, but that's the base price before shipping and handling. But at that price, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this watch band up? Well, if you're in the market for a really nice third-party watch band for your Samsung Galaxy Series watch, you really can't go wrong with these. The installation process, like I said, is super straightforward. The overall comfort is really good. And for that price, I would have to say yes. I can easily recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up if you're in the market for a really nice third-party watch band. Alright, so that does it for this full review here today. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And also feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channel. And just so everyone knows, I'm super active on Twitter. They call it X now, but it will always be and forever be known to me as Twitter. So as long as you follow me on Twitter, you'll never miss when a new video drops. I'm not as active everywhere else, but I'm super active on Twitter, so it is what it is. All right, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.